computer, peripheral and interface. These three words make the CPI. First word is computer. Computer is information processing machine for the storing, manipulating and correlating data. Computer is an information processing machine for storing, manipulating and correlating data. Second word is peripheral. Peripheral means any hardware, or we can say that any input device, any output device, or any storage device which is attached to the processor. Processor is heart of the CPU. Suppose this is CPU and this is a processor. All the peripherals are attached with the processor. Suppose this is P0, P1, P2 and P3. 4 peripherals, and these 4 peripherals are attached with the processor. It may be input device, it may be output device, it may be any hardware, or it may be any storage device. Third word is interface. Interface means any medium between the processor and peripheral. Any medium between the processor and peripheral is called interface. This is interface, this is interface, interface. It may be any wire, wireless or any bus. Now came to the types of display devices. First one is CRT, second one is LCD, third one is LED, number 4 is flat panel display, and number 5 is plasma panel. These are type of the display devices. Raster scan and random scan. What is raster scan? Raster scan is, in the raster scan, electron beam is go across the screen from the one row at the one time from top to bottom. Electron beam is scattered from the here, from the first row. It is scanned from the left to right from first row. After first row, it goes to the second row. From here, it's scanned from the left to right. Afterwards, it goes to the third line and fourth and the last line. After scanning the last line, it goes back to the first line. This is how the raster scan works, by scanning one row at one time from the left to right. In this we have a picture definition. Picture definition is stored in the memory, which is called frame buffer. Picture memory is stored in the memory, which is called frame buffer. Now came to the random scan. Now what is the random scan? Random scan is his electron beam is directed to the parts of screen, to the parts of screen where picture is to be drawn. Electron beam is passed only to the parts of the screen where picture is to be drawn, not the all rows. Only that part in where picture is to be drawn. It draws only one line at one time. Suppose firstly it draws this line, then this line, and then this line. Random scan is also called vector display. Random scan is also called vector display. It is best suitable for the line application. Now came to the difference between the random scan and the raster scan. First difference is the random scan is basically used for the line drawing application. Raster scan is used for the shading and color area. Second point is it does not use the interlace. Interlace means it is an firstly odd lines, then and even lines. But in the raster scan it uses the interlace concept. Third point is high resolution. Random scan use the high resolution, where raster scan use the low resolution. Number 4 is random scan is more expensive. Raster scan is less expensive. Number 5 is random scan scanning by beam along the vector, whereas raster scan scanning by the whole display area. It's and the whole display area. But where random scan only scan by vector. Random scan is very easy in editing, but the raster scan is very difficult in the editing. Last point is the refresh rate is depend upon the picture complexity. More is picture complexity and less is the refresh rate. Raster scan is independent from the picture complexity.